What up, YouTube? On this episode, we're gonna be DoorDashing in the M4. How much do you think that costs to DoorDash in the M4? We got the driver, you know. So let's get it. We made it in the M54. We're gonna be riding around in the space coupe. We're gonna be seeing how much it costs to DoorDash in an M4.
Team M4 on E85.
We burning E right now?
We are burning some E. We're not burning full E. I ain't gonna cap to y'all, but we are burning 30% E.
Okay.
So, you know, that helps keep the cost of gas down. You know, helps to keep it a little affordable. See, I can give y'all some numbers, but we gonna see live what we do live.
How much gas mileage we at right now? Don't look at anything else.
Yeah, it's a stolen car, by the way.
You lying, y'all.
Hurry up and get on out. You gonna come in and see the whole process and everything?
Yeah.
Alright, so Marco's Pizza, and I'm picking up for Vic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Okay.
What's your dream car for YouTube?
I'm really basic, so probably like a Volkswagen van or something so I can live in it.
That's right. Traveling. Bag secured, y'all.
I know I said we door dashing and we gonna drop this off, but we really about to eat this for ourselves. That nigga Victor.
See you what? Atlanta Info put us on the scam of the century. Free pizza hack. Make sure it's warm for sure.
And then I'm gonna complain to customer service. I'm gonna say that like some fake bullshit happened. I actually don't even have to confirm I picked it up. But I'm a good ass citizen, so I am going to drop this shit off and I'm gonna earn my money. Like all of you should do too.
Damn.
So we mid-drive, we actually really didn't stop filming for too long. We had to go only less than a mile.
Speed run.
Like usually I only accept trips that are like around like $10 or more. But this was a $6 trip.
Have to. Not even 1 mile.
Not even 1 mile, not even 10 minutes of our time. It's an easy money glitch. You could do this shit in an M4. Nigga, if you have a Hellcat, you could do this shit.
Niggas in Hellcat.
Listen to me. You could do this in the hell. Man, fuck that. So I leave my car on when I get out the car to do this, because who the fuck gonna take an M4?
Bag secured.
Bag secured. Dropped it off at the crib. Luckily, this didn't take us far out of the way. That's the only thing that'll keep you from making money in DoorDash is sometimes you get a trip and you gotta be within these certain areas to, oh shit,
Look.
what do you know? This another trip. We just got done
2
with the first
miles.
trip. 2 miles, and I'm about to accept that right now because that's gonna be easy $9. Yo, someone tried to drift out of this shit and they fucking fucked up right there. They did a 180. They fucking spun out. That's a spin out. That's a spin out, Mark. If I know it, that's an open diff spin out.
Oh, you a drifter, huh?
I'm a drifter. Watch this. Thank you, my good sir.
Bag secured.
We just secured the motherfucking bag. And now we about to drive.
You're doing this for YouTube.
5 minutes to secure this $10.
Y'all didn't know this is what we riding in.
Easiest bag secured. Less than 5 minutes later. Secured. Got that heater back on this bitch. The turbo's best when it's in eco mode.
Really?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what do we got going down here? Can't believe
And
they
usually
Yeah,
homeless bro on a
35
bike.
pounds of that Colombian Kush on them. Ridiculous. The fiends are going crazy on the streets right now. This guy got the block hot. 19 kilos of that crack cocaine.
I ain't trying to have them see my car and then be like,
They added the following instructions.
yeah, I ain't doing.
What up, y'all? So another reason why I'm making this video, just because I thought it was super funny. But I'm curious who else actually going to be trying this in whatever car. Let me know if you're in the car community, you got a cool car designated for DoorDash. Let me know down below, and I appreciate you guys for watching and staying tuned. Yeah.
Bad. All right, so far we about
$22 in 30 minutes.
we doing pretty good so far. A gas update on these motherfuckers.
I believe that's around under 20 miles. And it's saying we used about 20 miles of gas, which is cap.
Which is cap, because I was, well, maybe I shouldn't have been on the turbos and shit, but.
Yeah, he was doing turbo noises to boost his MPGs.
Because the more turbo noises you have, the better your MPGs. Function error? I don't give a fuck. Look, you want to see chassis malfunction error? Chassis error right there.
Bro, the police is right behind us.
Can I count this as working? Like, am I on the clock? I'm gonna be 100% with you. I would rather be driving this bitch fast. This is the best part about DoorDash, man.
We law and order. Look at that.
McDonald's. I don't care about no signs. But quick little update. We are at $30.
We 1 hour in, bro.
We an hour in. Yeah, because I only put it to an hour and 30 minutes, I think.
You recommend DoorDashing in the M4?
I recommend DoorDashing in the M4.
You recommend DoorDashing in general?
I recommend DoorDashing in general if you have free time. Yeah, it's easy money. It's the easiest money you'll make.
Using the whole speedometer on that thing.
I paid for this shit. I'm gonna use this.
This is how we get good Speedy reviews. Oh.
They're gonna give me an extra tip for being extra fast.
You on that DoorDashing? Yes, sir.
He's DoorDashing?
He DoorDashing right now.
He walking DoorDash.
There ain't no excuse, bro.
No excuses. That nigga's doing DoorDash walking.
Walking, you got 2 feet, bro. Get up, go get you some bread, bro.
Get on
Literally.
your motherfucking skateboard. Get on your motherfucking scooter.
So-
Okay, they asked me to call him. Shit. What's that?
Ran at the back, quick $9 more, cause you know.
Ooh, look at that right there.
15
You
P's.
see that?
Run it up.
But they having me stop at 2 places. But nigga, $15.
Run it up.
I'm on that. You already know. On eco mode 2. We saving gas.
MPG update. All right,
That's after going 170 miles an hour for
watch
about-
how it's gonna go up right now. It's at.
Our next update we give you, it's still gonna be at 213.
Ran into a fellow DoorDasher in the X5M. It's possible, y'all.
You can do it, but I'm only gonna give you one little disclaimer. Ever since I've been doing this DoorDash, you're gonna rack up miles on your car. I'm at 114 right now. So just keep that in mind.
You do an oil change every 10,000?
I do oil change every 4,000 to 5,000.
So-
But now I gotta change this, and I'm at like the high hundreds. I'm about to change it down to like 3,000, and then if I get to 4,000, that's when I'm stressing. I'm gonna be stressing if I'm at 4K on the same oil. But luckily, last time I changed my oil at right under 5K, and it was gold. So
Good job, cause she healthy.
she's healthy. She's got her little hiccups, but she running healthy. I think she just needs a little tune-up. Best part about DoorDash, while I'm waiting,
This
they had some sends.
What the?
You see it. Like, it's full sideways. We driving sideways here at 360.
This dude's overpowered.
We only running about 400 horsepower in this one right here. But if we was running 1,000, best believe I'd be sideways across the whole freeway.
This dude's really sliding the whole freeway.
Hit that
Getting
e-brake.
down. Message failed.
She said, ask for a lot of hot sauce, please. All right.
DoorDashing.
I'm about to hit the on-ramp. Ah. We bogged. What the?
Driving in traffic on the game. Craziness.
Infinite money hack. Hit me up if y'all want that infinite money on this car X. I'll give it to you for cheap. So the window, we getting 2 orders right now. Appreciate you, my boy. Oh, we gotta. Alright, so we finished our little dash. This is the end results.
1 hour, 30 minutes, $55. Do the math, bro. Probably boy got that shit on him, bro. What you looking for, gang? Another one.
Another one. But I'm gonna still fuck this taco up though.
Yeah, that shit good. Amen.
Enough green sauce?
What y'all eating, man? Comment down what y'all like eating, you know what I mean, late night. What would y'all DoorDash right now?
I have a DoorDash for Sarah and Pierre.
Okay, you can come to that window. Thank you.
Thank you.
Another bag secured.
Alright, this is the end of our little 1 hour excursion that we had. We decided to extend it a little extra hour. And this is how much we ended up getting to. So I think that puts us at plus 55. That puts us at 70. Wait, that was 22, right? Damn, I already forgot.
When you DoorDashing, you taking pride in your dashing.
I take pride in making sure you get your order fast.
Exactly.
And clean.
Safe,
You know what I'm
clean.
saying?